अड्डा 24/7 पर तैयारी। अड्डा 24/7, India's #1 government job preparation app.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today we are here to discuss the another MCQ series on principles and practices of banking. Okay, so today we are going to start with the MCQ series of PPP which is our 32nd class. So this is our 32nd class regarding PPP MCQ. Okay, so as we know our exam is on 12th of November 2022, so we have to prepare from now onwards. So that's why we are starting this session already for the practice classes. Okay, so this is a practice class for all of you where you can find that whatever conceptual understanding you are having, whatever concepts you are reading, that is useful for the paper or not. Okay, so let's start the session. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? So before starting the session, those candidates who are new to the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And also if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application, then do download the application, because here you will find all the upcoming data related to quizzes on your banking awareness, which is really going to help you in your basic banking awareness knowledge. Apart from that, you can find the current affairs here. Okay, daily updates will be available here. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, one information for all of you is that 22% off is going on all the ebooks. So right now, if we talk about book fair, so book fair is going on and 22% is discount if you use a code Y496. So if you want a practice book or you want an ebook to prepare for that particular subject, then you can go with the ebooks right now because it is 22% off. Okay, and if you purchase the same from the Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount there, right? So let's start the session. Before starting with the first question, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session and share the session with your colleagues who are also preparing for the same exam. Okay, now let's start. So the first question is talking about debenture holder of a limited company are which of the following? First is saying owners of the company, second is saying creditors of the company, third is saying debtors of the company, and fourth is saying any one of the above. Good morning to all of you. So which of the following will be right answer when we talk about debenture holders? Do answer the question with the question number, okay? Always mention the question number with your answer. Okay, Kritik is saying C. Chirupala Reddy is saying B, and Natrajan is saying C. Okay, what about rest? Achha, when we talk about debentures, what are debenture? Debenture simply a financial security, okay, in which the maturity period will be prefixed. The maturity period will be prefixed by the issuer. Apart from that, the rate of interest will also be prefixed, that this rate of interest will be given to you for this particular period of time. Okay, and debentures can be issued by any corporates. It can be issued by any corporates. So debenture actually is a debt instrument. Debenture is what? It is a debt instrument. Now, what does this debt instrument means? It simply means that in debenture, whenever company is issuing debenture, company is taking loan from the public. So, if company is taking loan from the public, it simply means that company have to return the amount of whatever amount it raised from the market after a certain period of time at a certain rate of interest. That's why maturity period will be prefixed and rate of interest will be prefixed. Okay. Now, which of the following will be the answer? Okay. C and B, two options are coming. See, there is a confusion between creditors or debtors. Okay. First of all, if we talk about, they cannot be owners because owners will be the persons who invest in the shares. So it can be creditor or debtor. But when we talking about debenture holders, they are holding the debenture. Okay, it means they will be the creditors of the company because they are holding the debenture. They are giving money to the company. That's why they will be the creditors of the company. Okay, so debentures are debt instrument which gives loan to the company for a particular period of time. Okay, next. Which of the following can issue both? certificate of deposit and commercial paper as per guidelines of Reserve Bank of India. So which of the following can provide certificate of deposit as well as commercial paper according to RBI? Who can issue these two? So certificate of deposit and commercial paper, both are your money market instrument. Both are your money market instrument. Money market instrument. So when we talk about money market, what is money market? Money market simply means the market of short-term borrowing and lending. So money market is the market where short-term funding will be done, short-term raising of money will be done by the using certain instrument of money market. So money market is a market of short-term financial assets which are close substitute of money. So those short-term financial assets which are close substitute of money, what does it mean? It means you can easily convert that particular instrument into money. Okay. So those instruments will be used in the money markets, which of out of that we have certificate of deposit, we have commercial paper. Apart from this, we have call money, notice money, term money, and we have our treasury bills, cash management bills, CBLO. All these are the instrument of money market. Okay. Now, question is asking that both CD and CP, both are issued by which of the following? B. Maximum are going with B, primary dealers. Primary dealers can issue certificate of deposit. Sure. No. The right answer will be your highly rated corporates. Only highly rated corporates according to RBI can issue certificate of deposit and commercial paper. Okay. See, when we talk about commercial paper, it is issued by corporates. That is confirmed that corporates will issue the certificate of deposit, commercial paper. Certificate of deposits will be issued by banks and financial institution. Who issue certificate of deposit? Bank and financial institution. But if there is a certain highly rated corporate, then RBI allowed them to issue the certificate of deposit. So right answer will be D. Next, third question. Guarantee given by bank in respect of payment of future installments for capital goods purchased on credit is called. So the question is asking that bank is giving guarantee, and a guarantee is given by bank in respect of payment of future installment. In respect of that, the future installment will get the payment to the bank, and bank is giving guarantee on that particular document for capital goods purchase. So which of this particular term is? Is it a bank guarantee? Is it a letter of credit? Is it a deferred payment guarantee? Is it none of the above? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Okay. Everyone is going with the C option. Very good. That's a correct answer. Deferred payment guarantee. It will be deferred payment guarantee. So when the guarantee given by bank for the future, for the payment, for the future installments or the future recovery of funds for the capital goods purchase, that will be your deferred payment guarantee. Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. Next. Which of the following is the benefit of depositories? Which of the following is the benefits of depositories? So we have studied capital market, right, in the paid batch also. So when we talk about capital markets, there is depositories which convert physical security into electronic form. So we have two types of depositories, CDSL and NSDL. These are the two types of depositories. So which of the following is the benefit of depository? First statement is saying reduction in the share transfer time to the buyer. Second is saying reduce risk of stolen, fake and fraud shares. Third is saying no stamp duty on transfer of share in dematerialized form. And fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following is the right option for the depositories benefits? Third is, fourth is D. Okay. Everyone is going with the D option. That is correct. All of the above. All of the above is the benefit of depositories. So when we talk about depository, they convert the physical security. They convert the physical security into electronic form. Into electronic form, okay, and deposit it in investors demat account, also depositing it in investors demat account, that is known as our depositories. Okay, so all of the above is the benefits of the depositories. We have two depositories, CDSL, NSDL. Acha, let me know which of the stock exchange started in India the first time electronic trading. Is it BSE or NSE? In BSE or NSE, which stock exchange started the electronic trading, or we can say automatic screen based electronic trading in India? Which stock exchange started? It's Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange? So BSE is the oldest and fastest stock exchange of Asia. In 1875, we have established BSE. BSE, NSE, NSE. Okay. First of all, it's not NSC. Maybe there is a chance that it is auto correct, or actually it is NSE, National Stock Exchange. Okay, so NSE started the country's first electronic screen based trading system. So the first depository was introduced by NSE, that is NSDL, in the year 1996. And then after NSE started the electronic trading, BSE also started electronic trading with the Bolt name of the electronic trading, and then BSE introduced the CDSL. Okay, so what CDSL is doing? CDSL convert the physical security in electronic form of all the trading which happens on the BSE, and similarly NSDL change the all physical security in electronic form whichever trading happen in the NSE. Okay, so the first depository of our country is NSDL. The first depository is NSDL. Next, in respect of commercial banks, which entity monitors the Kisan credit card scheme? In context of commercial banks, which entity monitors the Kisan credit card scheme? Is it NABARD? Is it SIDBI? Is it RBI? Is it SBI? A, B, C or D? And also tell me, what is Kisan credit card? What is KCC? Okay. A, everyone is going with A. No, we are talking about commercial banks, so right answer will be RBI. We're talking about commercial banks now. If we talk about NABARD, then NABARD will guide the RRBs and cooperative banks. Okay, who monitors KCC, Kisan Credit Card for commercial bank? It will be RBI. But when we talk about RRBs and cooperative bank, then it will be NABARD. Okay, NABARD is the supervisory body for RRB and cooperative banks. Now, why it will take care of commercial banks? Okay. Now, short-term agriculture loan for short-term agri loan for agriculture and allied activities, loan on short-term or long-term crop. Okay. So, when we talk about KCC, Kisan Credit Card is a type of credit facility on which banks provide credit to the farmers for the agriculture purposes, okay, according to their land. So, simply KCC is a credit facility for the farmers only. Acha, is there insurance covers under the KCC? The crop insurance is covered under KCC or not? Insurance is covered or not under KCC. So KCC, Kisan Credit Card, introduced by NABARD, and it is a credit facility we are providing to the farmer as per the requirement of their production, and according to the land, loan will be given to the farmers. Okay. You have to take, it's not it do not come with the KCC facility. Okay, you have to take insurance from the Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, because it's not compulsory that if you have a KCC then you have an insurance. No, it depends on the farmer. If farmer wants, the farmer can take Fasal Bima Yojana, crop insurance scheme. Okay, now next. Okay, so name of the scheme launched by Cabinet Committee to provide free LPG connections to women below the poverty line. So which of the particular scheme is there in which government has provided LPG connection to the women who are below poverty line, who are living below poverty line? Is it Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? Is it Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana? Is it Ujwala scheme? Or is it Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana? Sixth is B. Yes, correct. The right answer for sixth question is B option, that is Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana. It is introduced from Balia UP in 2016, in which LPG connections will be provided to the BPL families, it was said, and the target taken was 8 crore. And this 8 crore target was completed. So now additional 1 crore target has been given to the Ujwala scheme. And one important thing is there, now it is not only limited to the women from the below poverty line, it is also included the women from SC, ST and other categories also. Okay, so it initially when it introduced, it was only for the below poverty line women. Okay, but now it is included for other categories women also. And target 8 crore has been achieved and 1 crore additional target has been given under this particular scheme. Okay, and it was launched in 2016. Next. NPCI conducted a pilot scheme of UPI with 21 member banks. The pilot launch was on 11th of April 2016 by which of the following? So which governor of Reserve Bank of India actually launched the pilot launch of the particular NPCI? So if we talk about NPCI, NPCI stands for, okay, yeah, the scheme was launched from Balia UP. Okay, now if we talk about NPCI, NPCI stands for National Payment Corporation of India, and this National Payment Corporation of India is the umbrella organization in our country. It maintains all the retail payment system. Okay, it performs all the retail payment transaction in our country. So which of the following governor has done the pilot launch of NPCI? And NPCI was established by RBI and IBA. Who established NPCI? Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association. They launched the RBI. Oh, sorry, NPCI. Seventh is D. Okay. What about rest? Okay, D and A. No, right answer is D, Dr. Raghuram Govindarajan. Right answer is Dr. Raghuram Govindarajan. Okay, so he is the 23rd governor of RBI, and when he was 23rd governor of RBI, he did the pilot launch of NPCI. Okay, and he is the one of the finest governor of Reserve Bank of India. Achha, recently there was certain news about UPI. Okay, recently UPI was in the news in the last 3 or 4 days. What was the reason of UPI being in the news? What statement RBI has given on the UPI? Let me know why UPI was in news very much right now. And the government also has given certain statement on UPI. If you don't know, then do the right don't know, so that we will move towards to the next question. One important thing is there. I have told you already, but those candidates who came late in the session, one important thing is that right now the book fair is going on all the books, all the e-books available on Officers Adda or Adda 24/7 application. So to enroll in the e-book, you can use the code that is Y496, and there will be 22% discount is going on. Okay, so that's the offer for all of you right now. About charges, yes, RBI has given a statement that we are proposing that we will charge a certain tiered charges. We will apply a certain tiered charges on the UPI transaction. Okay, that what RBI has said. But in Yeah, fees collected. Yeah. So RBI has given in his statement that we are going to start a charge on the UPI transaction. But when it comes to the government of India, government has said no. UPI was introduced for the public interest, so no charges will be applicable there. Okay, so that's why that's the dispute between government and RBI right now. It was the dispute between government and RBI because RBI wanted to charge the transactions charges on UPI as per similar like we charge on the IMPS fund transfer. Okay, same charges RBI wanted to levy on the UPI, but government has given a statement that no charges will be implemented on UPI because it is for the public interest. Okay. Now next, which of the following cannot be categorized as part of the market risk? Which of the following is not a part of market risk? Is it liquidity risk? Is it legal risk? Is it foreign exchange risk? Or is it interest rate risk? Not a part of market risk. A, B, C or D? So what is liquidity risk? Simply when bank do not have cash and bank is not able to perform its day-to-day transaction. What is legal risk? Legal risk is simply when the banks not following a certain rules, regulations or acts. Then we have foreign exchange risk. It's a type of risk in which bank is trading in the foreign exchange and due to the fluctuation in the exchange rate, bank has to face loss. And what is interest rate risk? It's a type of risk in which when the interest rate changes, the bank has to face loss. So everyone is going no. A, B and C different answer are coming. No. Why liquidity risk will be not a market risk? It is legal risk. Liquidity risk is a market risk. Also foreign exchange risk is a market risk and also interest rate risk because all these are related to the market. Now all these are related to the market and that's why they can create market risk in the bank. But legal risk is not related to the market. It's the internal regulations of the banks. So that's why legal risk will not be a part of market risk. Okay. Now let me know out of 8 how many questions answer you have given correct. How many answers you have given correct? And information for all of you that the new batch for principles and practices of banking, individual batch is going to start from 12th of September. Individual batch is going to start from 5th of September and the selection batch, the crash course batch is starting from 12th of September and already the target batch is started from 16th of August. Okay, so these are the 3 upcoming batches or the latest started batches in which you can enroll. By using a code Y496, you will get 78% discount here. Okay, and before ending the session, those candidates live in the session do like the session once. Okay, before going. Now next thing is if you want to practice, if you want a multiple choice questions more and more, then you can go with these 2 options. First is test series for all the 3 subjects of your exam and one is for PPP subjects. Similarly, in PPP subjects, other subjects individual test or mock test will be available for all of you. By using this code, you will get here the discount. Okay, and in the end, if you want everything like you want to qualify JAIIB in November term and then in the next term of May, you want to qualify the CAIIB. So the best option for all of you is JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack, because in which all the JAIIB batches, all the CAIIB batches, all the ebooks, all the test series, everything will be available in a certain period. Okay, so you will get everything for 12 months. So it will cover your JAIIB of November, December and also the next year's CAIIB. Okay, so you can go with the Mahapack by using the same code Y496. You will get 78% discount. Okay. So 565574546 okay, 4 is a less score, 5 is a less score. You should have at least 6 7 8. We should have to be at the 6 7 8. That will be good. Okay, for starting. Right. So let's end the session. If you like the session, do like the session. Share session with your friends and colleagues. If you have any doubt in particular question, you can ask in the comment section. And do subscribe the Office of Adda 24/7 channel so that all the upcoming sessions will be notified to you and also press the bell icon. Okay. So let's end the session here. Let's meet tomorrow at the same time 6:30 AM. Thank you for joining and stay safe.